This video is to show you how to navigate Canvas in Art 101. Please note each week you'll have a new module to work through that will be unlocked the Sunday before the start of the week. This first week has more information than the following modules. You will always have access to this module where you'll have access to the course syllabus, how to work with Canvas, online resources, etc. Starting with Module 2, the first page will note the course objectives. I want it to be clear what is being expected of you each week. You'll also see how many content pages are underneath the modules. Do note that some content pages have tabs, and you will want to go through each tab before heading to the next content page. Also note, several content pages have optional videos or readings if you want to go deeper into the content or want more explanation. Each module has a discussion board, and some of them have an art assignment attached to the discussion board. Pay attention to the rubric while you are doing your work so you know what the objectives are for writing and reading assignments. At the end of the module, you'll see a "You made it" page, and it will go over everything you will have accomplished during the week. It's a kind of checklist. You can go back if anything is unclear or you don't remember doing it. It is my goal that the information in this course is clear and you know what is required of you each week.